Hi friends, today is day 47 of our manners journey. Today we are learning about respecting animals versus hurting animals. Leo, Mia, did you know that being a manner magic kid isn't just about being nice to people? Mia, you're right, Leo. It's about being a hero to the creatures who don't have a voice. Let's explore Kindness Woods. They find Kevin, who has caught a shiny green beetle in a tight plastic water bottle with the cap screwed on, hurting animals, trapping insects in containers without air. Even if they look cool, taking them from their habitat makes them scared. Leo explains the beetle has a job in the soil. He helps Kevin unscrew the cap and watch it crawl back into the grass. Lesson: nature is a home, not a toy box. Near a park bench, Lily is using a stick to tear down a large, morning dew-covered spider web. Hurting animals tearing down webs because they look creepy. It takes a spider lots of energy to build its web for food. Mia shows Lily how the sun makes the web look like silver thread. The spider is a little engineer. Mia says, a group of kids is running and screaming at a squirrel, trying to make it climb a tree faster, hurting animals, chasing or scaring animals for fun. This causes their hearts to beat too fast and makes them too stressed. Leo invites the kids to sit like statues. Eventually, the squirrel feels safe and comes closer to dig for a nut. They saw Sam trying to grab a butterfly by its wings to look at it closer. Hurting animals, touching insects. Their wings are fragile and can break easily, meaning they can't fly or find food. Mia showed Sam how to crouch quietly. If we stay still, we can see the patterns without hurting him. At the pond, a girl was throwing salty potato chips to the ducks, hurting animals, giving animals human snacks. It makes their tummies hurt and makes them sick. Leo explained that ducks eat greens and seeds. He showed her how to appreciate them from a distance. A group of kids was about to jump on an anthill just for fun. Mia drew a circle around it. Mia, this is their city. They worked all day to build it. The kids decided to build a bridge over it. They saw Barnaby napping under a tree. A boy wanted to pull his tail to wake him up. Leo taught the boy to let sleeping dogs lie. Wait for a pet to wake up before offering a gentle pet. Some children found snails on the sidewalk and were tossing them into the air like rocks. Mia carefully moved a snail to a damp, shady leaf under a bush where it would be safe. Leo found a low-hanging branch with a nest full of eggs. A girl wanted to take one home. Leo stood guard and told everyone to keep a wide circle. They took a photo from far away instead. By the end of the day, Leo and Mia turned the park into a safe zone. Protecting those who are small is our job. Can you think of an animal in your backyard? How can you show them respect today? Fill a bird bath or just watch a bee bye-bye for now. See you in the next story. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, Manner Magic Kid.